Hey guys, so today we're going to learn how do we trade on Blofin, how do we buy our first Bitcoin. Most people always have these questions, it's daunting, there's too many options. So first thing you need to do is sign up to Blofin. There's a link right below, just click on that, it will link you into Blofin, and then you will be part of my Blofin community, which gives you a big cash back on fees, whereas normally you would not get those. Now, moving on, how do I get started? Well, the first thing you need to do is have some crypto. Now, if you use other exchanges, that's great. You'll be able to just transfer money from there. If you use a hardware wallet or a hot wallet like MetaMask or Trezor or Ledgers, these will all be the same thing you have to do. So first thing you do is click on deposit. So on deposit, it's going to give you choices. What do you want to deposit in crypto? Do you want to deposit USDT, Ripple, Bitcoin, etc.? You can also type in here Solana, let's say, and so on, and you can click on what crypto you're going to deposit. So first thing you do is that. Let's use Tether as an easy way to start. Let's say we have it on our MetaMask, so we're going to just use ERC20. Now, it's going to give you deposit details. So you're going to click on this right here. If you're using MetaMask, just do this. Click on your MetaMask, click on send USDT on ERC20, and then you push this address in and then click send, and it will end up on the exchange. So that's all you have to do to get started to deposit your crypto, right? So then it's going to end up in the funding account. So let's say you put $5 in your funding account, it's going to end up there. You also have two other accounts, your spot account and your futures account. Don't worry about the futures account for today. We're going to focus on how do you just buy your first Bitcoin. So click into your funding account. So when you go in your funding account, you're going to have to click on transfer. You can also withdraw your cryptocurrency from here back to your MetaMask account. So you click your MetaMask wallet address instead of your Blofin. You put that, you click on withdraw, put on your MetaMask or whatever address you're going to send it to, and then you would send it from Blofin, and that's basically it. We're also going to go over how do you set up 2FA and everything else in another video, but for right now, let's see how do we buy our first crypto. First thing you do is click on transfer. So looking at it, now we need to transfer from our funding account into our spot account. So make sure you just click on funding and spot. You do $5 right here. You're going to click on confirm, and then you'll see that it's gone from your funding account. If you go back to overview, you will see that that ends up in my spot account. So now how do we buy our first crypto? Now there's a bunch of options up top. You're going to click on spots. That's all you have to do. Click on spot account. Here, it's going to bring you to how do you buy just physical crypto, right? With your USDT that you have in that account. All right, so to buy your first Bitcoin, right? This is really easy. You have two different types of orders to buy. You have a market order, which means you're going to buy whatever price it's on the market right now, and a limit order where you can put in the price you want to actually buy the Bitcoin. So it can be lower, obviously, than the price currently, and you can wait for it to come down to that price, right? So right now we're at 97,810. Let's say you want to buy it 97,800. You could put it there and you could buy whatever you want, right? So to keep it simple, we're just going to go market buy, which is what you know from using maybe Uniswap. You're buying off the market, whatever the price is. So if let's say you want to buy 0.002 Bitcoin, you can go on market, whatever 0.002 Bitcoin is, which is about 97,870. You can click on buy and it will confirm and it will say success. Now, if you go to sell right here, you can see that you have some Bitcoin, right? So you can now buy or sell your Bitcoin. So you can sell it right here, click on sell, confirm, and boom, you've sold your Bitcoin. How do you know if that happened? You can click on order history and see that I bought here at 877 and I sold at 873. Terrible buy, terrible sell. I know, lost a little bit of money. Just a good example how to use it, right? So that's all you have to do to buy or to sell crypto on Blofin. It's really easy. Deposit, click on the transfer, and then all you have to do is buy, hold, chill, or buy and sell as you see fit in the market. Next video, we're going to cover how do we do our 2FA and secure the account more, as well as how do we use futures. So when you see me put a beautiful short on XRP, that you guys can actually join and learn a little bit about risk management as well, so you know how much you should be putting in if you're trading an account. All right, guys, thanks for that. See you guys soon.